paradise on earth where all systems coexist and benefit one another in symbiosis. All beings realizing the interconnectedness in all moments stemming from, to, the eternal now. Education based on truth of divinity with a focus on consciousness. Living in balance with the earth so that vibration can attain highest potential outcome. Worlds expanded eternally inward and infinitely outward, becoming ultimately aware of the complexity of our singularity. Alright, let's Om chant. Breathe in. Om.